You may have seen reports on social media warning about a white lung pneumonia in children and that it's spreading here in Ohio, or that it's connected to an illness in China. This is false. Here's what we know about pneumonia in our area. Respiratory illnesses like flu, RSV, and COVID-19 can circulate more frequently during the fall and winter. But a viral social media post suggests a new and unknown respiratory illness called white lung syndrome is spreading throughout the world, including here in the U.S. Dr. Michael Matten, medical director at the Toledo Hospital ER department, says white lung is not even a real medical term.
I literally Googled it in 4 places, and I was like, am I missing something?
Warren County reported an extremely high number of pediatric pneumonia on November 29th, with 145 cases in children ages 3 to 14 since August. But it did not use the term white lung, and later said it's not a new respiratory virus. Dr. Matten also says it's not uncommon to see an increase in viral and bacterial pneumonia when we see an increase in respiratory illnesses. And while we may see an increase, there's no evidence to suggest any connection to China or even a real cause for alarm here in Ohio.
I haven't really seen compelling evidence that that outbreak being reported is a definitive outbreak yet.
What was bugging you today at school?
Dr. Noah Sutter is a pediatrician and says you can lean into what we learned during the pandemic to stay healthy.
Avoid, indoor places with lots of people, avoiding obviously ill people. It's not a bad idea to mask up if you're in some of those settings, but it's just falling back on a lot of the skills that we've learned before.
Now, right now, Ohio and Michigan are in the low transmission category on the CDC website for pneumonia. That is slightly up from last week when it was minimal. Dr. Sutter says if you're up to date on your vaccinations, you may already be protected against pneumonia. You can also talk to your doctor about a pneumonia-specific vaccine. Erie County is seeing a rise in COVID-19 cases. According to the health department, cases have doubled from the month prior. This has led to an increase in hospitalizations and deaths. Within the month of November, 5 people died.